How to download and install Zangi Private Messenger. Now, if you would like to get this specific software or application on your mobile phone, just simply go ahead to your Google Play Store and just search directly Zangi app. Now you will be automatically downloading it and it will install by itself. So that's how you do it on your phone. If you would like to download it via your PC or your laptop, just simply access your preferred web browser and just head directly to your search bar by going to this specific website right here. So just simply type in appsonwindows.com forward slash apk forward slash 4038 and forward slash on the end. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to click on this link right here, download on Windows PC, and it will automatically be loaded on your download history right here. Now, once everything is downloaded, you'll just have to install it, and there you go. You'll be able to use Zangi Private Messenger on your Windows PC.